Is this the test then that you would want to see the results of?
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give you a second. You're not the first one.
Came out a little bit too fast. I'm sorry. Another one, though, is called the excuse me, the post-traumatic distress scale. That was nice.
I think, so tell, with the desirability scale.
That's what you told us, right?
No. Oh, shoot.
Go ahead and clean up, please.
Yeah, sorry about that. I was doing so well. Excuse me. Yes, sir. This is a...
Let me go ahead and have it back.
Excuse me.
This does talk about